Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your iPhone is currently unable to use Apple Pay. For example, if you try to use Apple Pay on your iPhone and you have also connected a payment method or a card, and after that you see this kind of error on your Apple Pay. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this tab. And after closing this tab, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And after turning off airplane mode, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to go to general. So here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and here what you have to do, you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do, if you want to solve this error may be due to that you have not updated the iOS version. So what you have to do, you have to again click on general. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on software update, and after that you have to simply check you have latest iOS update. And after checking for latest iOS update, what you have to do, you have to simply contact your card supplier, and you have to ask for the solution of your problem. If the problem is still there, and you have to check whether your card supports Apple Pay or not. Moreover, you can also check whether your device supports Apple Pay or not. So after checking all these things, what you have to do, you have to simply again connect your card to Apple Pay, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to Apple Support and ask for the solution of the problem. So if the problem is again occurring, then you can also search the problem in Apple discussion and ask the Apple user which have the same issue that how they solve that error. So after that you will get a solution that works. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.